So even ndivyo kijana wetu Rema ana feel after his album that is Raves and Roses Ultra, which has surpassed 3 billion views on YouTube, becoming the first African album to reach this milestone. His debut album included hits such as Calm Down, they are together with the remix ya Selena Gomez, and then Time and Affection, that is Charm, and then Time and Affection featuring Chris Brown. And kijana he's almost age ya
Okay, ni Gen Z, I guess
23 4 hapo, if I'm not wrong. But kijana unafanya, imagine kifanya collab na CB.
Acha hata niache kuimagine.
Okay, please rudi tu huku kwa sababu watu wengine walisema hawata imagine. But on to another story. Do you think you can drop your dad's name ama your family name because you want to be independent, ukae tu peke yako? Tuseme wewe it's the